So, Steve, guess what?
What?
Another stop on the bike tour. So we're down on King's Parade. This is King's over here. And Gonville Quays at the end, and the Senate House. But the interesting stop here is this gold clock. We could talk all day about this gold clock, and we still wouldn't quite understand it. You need a PhD in engineering to understand this gold clock. There was a guy called John Taylor that created it. He asked if he could have put a piece of artwork on the public side of the old door to the bank. And the master of Corpus Christi at the time, a guy called Stuart, still is the master of Corpus Christi. He said, yeah, sure. What he didn't realise is that John Taylor then spent 5 years building this. He employed 250 people. It cost him £1 million in materials. And this is what he made.
£1 million?
Yeah, it's 25 carat gold plate, steel construction.
Goodness me.
How do you get steel to bend like that?
Goodness me.
6 different patents for engineering amazingness. They were firing neutrons through water at steel to make it bend.
Firing neutrons through water
At steel.
at steel.
To make it bend. Yeah.
Now that is... Well done, Cambridge.
It's quite something.
I bet you don't have that in your town.
Yeah.
That is brilliant.
It's a pendulum clock, but unfortunately a tour group is standing right in front of it, so you can't see the pendulum. But the pendulum stops randomly. And then it's very difficult to understand how a pendulum clock, the pendulum can stop and start again.
It's actually the Corpus Christi College Library. So if you were a student